You're not here to just tell him, हाँ तेरा performance ऊपर गया, ये तेरा score है, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, जा, बस. Alright. Things that we've learned without anybody teaching us is hide your mistakes, or you'll get punishment, right? We've grown and we've grown 35 years old, 30 years old. We are managers now, but we are still picking up the same learning. Hear me out. What I said. Somebody has to lead the conversation into an open conversation. इसका मतलब
listen to somebody has to listen.
No, where both are comfortable. Make it situation in a get into a
sometimes
situation
you know is it okay? Can I buy you a coffee? Can we just sit down and talk about this?
Yeah.
I think we want to work together. I think we want to work together. Let's sit down properly and discuss about this over a cup of coffee. Sitting down, okay. I think I messed up. I did this wrong, and I want to apologize for that. Somebody has to lead. The clear direction means what?
specific turn left, right, 2 steps, 3 steps. One step.
Anybody had issues when he told you to go somewhere and you hit somewhere? I saw some people like that, by the way. जहाँ पे आपका कुछ चेयर पे लग गया, मुझे टच किया, हुआ था ऐसा? हुआ था, मैंने देखा ऑलरेडी.
I felt like touching wall from the shot like this, like.
Yeah.
Once.
There was once.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Tell me one thing. After this exercise, how do you think your relationship has become with your partner? Honestly, genuinely.
Trust.
Think about it. Next time when you meet with that person, would you like to converse and have a more conversation with him next time?
Yes.
And how did it become like that?
Connection.
You build a connection and you build trust and you build rapport. Is that correct?
Yes.
What you're trying to say, my friend, is one of the key things ingredient in assertive communication or any sort of business transaction or communication is it is very, very important to build elements of trust. You have just experienced what trust is. When we did this program in Orissa, in fact in Goa, I think one of the locations in Silvassa, we did it next to a swimming pool. So you imagine.
So he will not then blindfold him.
So it was dangerous. But my friends, do you realize that some of you had apprehension initially, but slowly, steadily, as the conversation started getting better, he started leading you correctly, automatically you started trusting him. Is that right?
Yes.
But for trust, you have to intentionally create experiences. No matter how much ever I like you, you like me, I can't force you to trust me. I have to earn it. Is that right? Even a small child, when they sometimes, when you look at, I love children, so small children, I say, hello beta, when I try to catch them, they will have an apprehension. I don't seem to do any harm, but children also have an issue of trust. But what happens when they are with their dad? They throw themselves as if it doesn't matter, they jump from the air. Is that right?
Yes.
In fact, there is a beautiful example wherein a child and a father went up in a cave, and it became so dark, and the father was down and the child was on the top, and says, Dad, I can't see you, Daddy, I can't see you. But better jump. But Dad, I can't see you. But the dad said, but I can see you. You jump. And the child jumped, and he was in his dad's arms. Okay? And if you see any beautiful relationship that we have personally in our family or with colleagues, one element that is so powerful is trust. Am I correct? Yes. Who's the one person you really trust with your life? Who's that person? Mother. Yeah, but a lot of people will agree that it's your mom. Okay, or it could be a wife, it could be a brother, it could be a friend. With somebody whom you just open up and share your life, even when you're not under the influence of alcohol. You will still share. Are there people like that? Because when you're in alcohol,
Amul abhi bol.
like that. Specifically when you're doing a performance appraisal conversation or a discussion जहाँ पे you feel the conversation is just going on and on and on and it's not coming to a conclusion, you have to use as much as what question? Close-ended and leading question. People who are very talkative and go on and on, do not use too much of open-ended question with them. Why?
Then start.
They'll keep talking.
And your objective will not be met. Close-ended question needs more of for people who will, you want to get a final confirmation. He took at least 6 minutes to finally vent out all the issues to him. So starting the connection building. So when you want to build connection, ask questions. But most questions which are open-ended. Everybody clear with all the 3 types of questions? Yes. Question number 1. Open-ended. What is open-ended question? When you want to ask everything in detail. And close-ended questions?
Can have Chris answer like yes or no?
Yes or no, or 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 1 line. And leading questions? Question that will lead it to your purpose. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we looked at building connection, preparation, open conversation, questions. Anything else?
He demonstrated result as well, how it is going to affect the productivity, how it is going to help the organization.
Correct, correct. So he did a benefit driven. In other words, it says, from this conversation, think about it, when I come and meet you and I sit down with you for 10 minutes, why would you listen to me? Honestly. Absolutely. WIIFM, if you want to put it down. Yeah, most of you know that, right? What is in it for me? What is in it for me? Absolutely, right? When you want to exactly know, यार मैं इधर 10 मिनट बैठा हूँ, क्यों? मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? See, a lot of people calling for sales, right? घर ले लो, ये ले लो, वो ले लो. लेकिन तुमको जब अचानक घर लेने का प्रायोरिटी बन गया तब फिर क्या होता है? फिर हाउसिंग लोन कौन लेता है? हाँ, HDFC, हेलो. Suddenly आपके तेवर बदल जाते हैं, right? Yes or no? So for that, you have to realize that whenever you discuss with people and you are saying the role play, always have a you mentality. Through this conversation, what can I do for you? You're not here to just tell him, हाँ, तेरा performance बढ़ गया, ये लो स्कूल है, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, जाओ, बस. Alright. So guys, benefit driven, which was very nice. WIIFM, if you want to write it down. Anything else?
He was not selfish. He was thinking from organization.
He was speaking from
Organization, the team's perspective.
correct. So it's not me, it's we. And that's beautiful, right? Guys, one more thing. Yes, we'll come to you. One more thing. When I want him to open and share reality, what do you think I should do? I should lead the open conversation. And for that, I also, for the first few seconds, I have to create an ambience when people are, he's happy to listen to me. Remember, he has to like me before he likes my message. Did that happen in the role play? Hey, how are you doing? Hey, how's life? What's up? Hey, your mom was not well yesterday. Huh? Kya hua beta? Hey, yesterday you left early. What happened? Everything's okay? Hey, how are things been? By the way, I saw you in the recent annual function here. You performed really well. You're a good singer, huh? Kya baat hai? Hey, so how is son? What's going on? So what do you think about performance appraisal? How do you think you did? Your score is this के बदले, how do you think you have fared in performance appraisal? What do you think? So you will know his expectation and you will then tell him the news. Is that okay? Yes sir, you were saying something.
So these showing some drawbacks if such a situation is not being followed. And he gives a couple of examples.
Okay, so give examples, great. So he gave examples, okay. Anything else?
Yes, there was he asked her that if she was writing this plan, how she would do it. So it made it look like the plan is not his, it is her. So
He
she
let her
was-
lead it.
Yeah. So she was more open to the whole idea and she actually gave some inputs.
And what he did basically is he did leading questions. So बोल मैं रहा हूँ, लेकिन आपसे बुला रहा हूँ. And that's not manipulative, okay? I'm just trying to convince you and pursue you. So for example, when we are trying to partner with the organization for training, so they say, oh, you have a training requirement. We create all the material and send it to the client. When will they reply? We'll come back to you. So by when do you think we're looking at doing this program? In September. What data are we looking at? We'll tell you. Are you looking at doing it between 15th to 20th? Yes. Alright. And is that 1 day or 2 days? We're not looking at. But most probably, do you think it will be 2 days? Yeah. Leading questions. Clear? Sir. Yeah, just an example. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Last May he took ownership. If you see, one of the most wonderful thing was he didn't only just come and give suggestion, he took ownership. Last question I have for you. Initially when he started, what was she doing? She was resisting, right? Don't you think? नहीं ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. क्या यार वो छोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्टअप के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन हमारे पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में पूरा चेंज करना चाहते हो. फ्लेक्सी आवर्स नहीं चलेगा. Was he positive?
Yes.
He was very positive. He said, "Don't get so sure." Yeah, but at least we are more progressing compared to the last 5 minutes back. Your vocabulary has to be very positive. What we can't do for you? We can't change your score. We can't do this. We can't do this. We can't do this. Do you have alternatives? Do you have any other solutions? Yes. Cool. I shall have a call with you at 2 p.m., right? Is that correct? 2 p.m. it is. They will send you an Outlook invitation.
Right.
They will send you a mail. They are very loudly giving you a message. I am very sharp on my time. My principle is if you said it, you do it. Understand the emotional state through their mails. Then reply them accordingly. If it's not possible, give them a buffer. Say it's going to take 3 hours. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I would love to do it for you in the next 3 hours. But you know, our team is already doing programming. There is a UAT happening. There is something getting live. It's not possible now. But we can do it in the next 5 hours. If it is acceptable, works for both of us. Yes?
Yes.
You know, इतना तो किया ना. ऐसे चिल्ला रहे इतना कर रहे लेकिन इतना 60% क्या मजाक है क्या? But for somebody, incomplete means not done. Now, how do you identify what's a principle or value of people? How would you identify that? Because we're going to do a practice now. So, how will you identify a principle or a value of a person? Value matlab values. How would you identify that?
How much they are keen on their
No, how would you identify what their values are, what their principles are? Because that's what you want to capture, right? To win their interest, to get them to do what you want. How would you identify their values? Their words. Their emails and their words. I want it on time. If a person consistently says the word time, keep your word, keep your promises. If there are any vocabulary जो बार-बार ऐसा इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, यानी ये बंदा बड़ा वर्ड का पक्का वाला आदमी है और वो चाहता है कि राहुल भी वही करे. Are you with me? Yes. Okay. Oh, don't worry, we'll work it together. We'll sort it out. It's not a problem. this is a person who's ready to facilitate and cooperate with you, no problem. So you got to hear the words. So when we're trying to do role play also, please hear the words from the leader. Is that okay?